Good afternoon, everyone. So, kids, how are you all today? I'm also fine. As you all know, kids, today we are going to start a new chapter. Huh? The name of the chapter is Experiment with. Yes. In this chapter, we are going to learn about some experiment. Right? Means which type of things soluble or insoluble in water? Which type of things can float or can sink in water? Right? Understood what I'm saying? Yes. So these type of experiments we learn in this chapter, right? Okay. So before starting this chapter, I am explaining you about the matter. Understood? Matter. What is matter? You know what is matter? Because water is a matter. Matter is a thing that has a mass and it occupies the space. Okay? Understood what I'm saying? ऐसी चीज जो एक स्पेस लेता है जिसका कोई ना कोई वेट होता है कॉल्ड अ मैटर got it just like this is a stylet it is a matter okay so there are the three types of things found in your surroundings solid liquid and gas right so water is also a matter right okay it is we found water in which form solid, liquid or gas? Only liquid or we can found water in all these forms. Yes, we can found its means water in solid, liquid and gas in three forms. Okay, if we see ice, it is a form of water in solid. Ice is a solid form, right? Water is a liquid. Okay, and when it's vapor, right? Evaporate होती है ना तो water vapor it's a gas form, right? So we can found water in three forms, right? Solid, liquid, and gas. This is a basic thing, right? Okay. Now, as you all know, all the matters made up of molecules. All the matters are made up of molecules, which are very tiny particles. These are tiny particles, right? Each and every matter made with molecules. Okay? If these molecules are tightly packed, they make solid. They make solid form. Okay? This is a stylus. It is in solid form, right? We cannot easily break it. Why? Because the molecules of this stylus is tightly packed. Right? If we talk about the water, it is a liquid form. The molecules are, this is solid shape, look at here, the molecules are tightly packed. All the molecules are, they do not have any space. So they make a shape, right? But if we talk about liquid, okay? If we talk about liquid, so molecules are the tiny particle present in a matter. Okay? So a matter made up of molecules. These are very tiny particles. बहुत छोटे छोटे से particles होते हैं जो आपस में connected होते हैं तब एक कोई भी matter बनता है. समझ में आ गया? Got it? So what are molecules? Molecules are the tiny particles. बहुत छोटे छोटे से. Yes, very tiny particles. समझ में आ गया? Understood what I am saying? So when these molecules are tightly packed, when they are tightly packed, means they do not have any space to move, right? So they make solid shape, right? If these molecules are loosely packed, then they have inside between them, right? Like that. So they make liquid form. Okay? And when these molecules are very loose packed, they make gas form. Okay? So that's why your water flow. Understood? Because the molecules are loosely packed. Okay? Got it? Is your pencil flow? No. Why? Because the molecules of a pencil is tightly packed. Got it? Juice can flow. Milk can flow. Why? Because these are liquids. They can easily flow because the molecules of these matters are loosely packed. Okay. When you spray a perfume, you smell its fragrance, right? When you are sitting far away, you can smell it, right? Right? This is the fragrance of rose perfume or lavender perfume, right? Why? Because it is in a gas form, right? And the molecules of gas is very loosely packed. Okay, they are very loose. They can spread. Got it? Got it? So gases are just like carbon dioxide. This is a gas. Oxygen is a gas, right? When you spray a perfume, what is inside it? It is inside it is gas, right? So that's why when the gas is leak, you can smell it when you sit or stand any of our places, right? That's why perfume is smell spray in a room or the next room. Got it? So let us just start this chapter. This is the basic thing that you have to know about it. So that's why I'm explaining you. Okay? Because in previous classes you learn about the solid, liquid, gas forms. Right? So this is the chapter based on water. Experiment of, right? So we learn about why the things are shrink in water, why the things are float in water, which things can soluble in water and which can't. Okay? The things that dissolve, we call them soluble things, and the things that doesn't dissolve, we call them insoluble things. So there are just like if we talk about the sugar, can sugar dissolve in water? Can sugar dissolve in water? Sugar can't dissolve, or sugar can disappear from the water. When you stir it, you will take a glass, okay, put a water in it, okay, and take a spoon of sugar and stir it. So what you see? Sugar is disappear, right? Sugar is, you see it here in the water? No. Where is the sugar? Where it has gone? कहाँ चला गया? It's, yes, because this sugar soluble in water. वो water के molecules के बीच में जो space था वहां जाकर के उसने अपना molecules को रख लिया है, right? Got it? वो disappear हो गए. That's why. But sand नहीं होता. Why? Why? Because the particles of the sand are very tightly packed. It cannot break easily. So that's why soil doesn't dissolve in water. Understood? But the sugars molecules can easily break, so they can dissolve in water, right? Now let's talk about, first I read the chapter, then we will understand it. Okay, exploring development and curiosity. What we are exploring here? Development and curiosity. Okay, curiosity means when we want to know about something, call our curiosity, right? जब आपको किसी चीज के बारे में जानने की इच्छा होती है. Okay, and development means you know about it, vikas, right? So exploring development and curiosity. Understood? Okay, so let us read this chapter. It was a bright morning of at a nature camp. At a nature camp where a group of children had gathered for a week of fun and learning. Why the children gathered here? For fun and learning, because they are going to learn about the experiments with water, right? So they stay here for a week. How many days? 7 days. Okay. So as part of the day's activity, camp leader Reena gathered the children near the outdoor science station, which is beside the lake. Okay. So the leader, what is the name of the leader? Reena. Okay. So she gathered the students where? The outdoor साइंस स्टेशन. ओके, साइंस स्टेशन के बाहर उन्होंने बच्चों को गैदर कर लिया है. किसने? यस. हु वाज शी? टीम लीडर, राइट? शी वाज द कैंप लीडर, राइट? ओके. Today we are going to explore something fascinating about water. Means what she said. Today we are going to learn about some interesting things. Okay, interesting things related to water. Okay. Have you ever noticed that some things disappear in water while others doesn't? What she said? Some things are disappear from water, right? Some things are disappear in water and some doesn't disappear, right? So who said this? Yes, the team leader, right? 10 years old Alicia is just like you. Okay, she is also a student. Raise her hand excitedly. She was very excited and excitedly she is raising her hand. Okay, what she said. I saw my dad stir sugar into lemonade. What she said? She said that his father stirred sugar in lemonade. Means नींबू पानी में उसके पापा क्या कर रहे थे? शुगर स्टिर कर रहे थे, शुगर को हिला रहे थे, राइट? इट वैनिश्ड लाइक मैजिक. वो बिल्कुल एक जादू की तरह गायब हो गई. इट्स वैनिश्ड लाइक मैजिक, राइट? I have seen the same with salt. Who said this? Who said this? Dhruv. Dhruv said that I am also seeing like that. That salt is also disappear in water. But when I drop some sand into water at the beach, it just sank and stayed there. What Dhruv said? He said that when I stir salt in water, it disappears. But when at the beach, I stir the sand in water, it doesn't disappear. Where it's go? It settle down in the bottom of the glass, right? समझ आ रहा है? You? So here we are going. What we are going to learn here? क्या लर्न करने जा रहे हैं? We are going to learn here about the soluble or insoluble things. Which things are disappear from the disappear in water, and which things doesn't disappear in water. Got it? So what we learn? Which things can disappear? Sugar and salt, and which doesn't? Sand, right? And can you guess any of them which doesn't dissolve? Any of them? Think. Very good. Oil. Oil can dissolve? No. So oil always float on water. Okay. Any of them? Any of them? Think about it. Okay. Tell me anything. Tell me any of them that can dissolve. Huh? Stone. Stone can dissolve. So doesn't dissolve. Okay. So where it's gone? Huh? It settled down at the bottom, so it can sink, right? Any of them? Okay, tell me about the chalk powder. Chalk powder. Chalk powder. Chalk powder. It can dissolve. हो सकता है dissolve. Think about it. Huh? You see the chalk in your classes, right? When you crush it, it's make a powder. When you dissolve it in water, when you put it in a water glass, so it is disappear or it doesn't disappear. Yes, it's settled down at the bottom. So chalk powder doesn't dissolve in water. Tell me about the honey. Yes. Sure. Honey can dissolve or not? Hmm. Honey. Honey can. Okay, and sugar powder? Sugar powder? Sugar powder can? Yes, dissolve, right? Okay. So Reena nodded like that and explained exactly substance like sugar, salt, which completely disappear in water. What are the things? Salt, sugar. They are completely disappear in water. So what we call them? What we call them? Soluble. What are soluble things? That easily dissolve in water. So these things are called soluble things. Understood? Okay. Things like sand. Things like which do not dissolve in water. What we call them? What we call them? Insoluble things. What are insoluble things? Things that doesn't dissolve in, they are insoluble. And what the things that dissolve in water, they are, got it? Understood? What is the difference between soluble things and insoluble things? Okay, got it? Means my this side is soluble things and this side are insoluble. So why I am calling them soluble? Because they dissolve in water. They are completely disappear. But why we call this side insoluble? Why? Because they are not completely disappear in water, right? They are not dissolved in water, so they are insoluble. Got it? Understood? Okay. Okay, so let us try some experiment here. What happened, Harsh? She handed out materials for group activity. So what she take? Glass of water. Second thing, salt. Third, fourth, third. Why is she taking these things? क्यों ले रही है ये? For the experiment, right? With water. The children eagerly got to work, ready to discover the hidden secrets of. So all the children are excited. What are these experiments? Okay. So this is the experiment number. Okay. So what dissolve and what doesn't? What is the name of this experiment? And what doesn't? What dissolve and what? Okay. So each group of children received a glass of clean water. Okay. Their ma'am gave them a clean glass, a water of a, yes, a glass of water which is filled with clean water, right? Second, and along with them, what she gave them? Some amount of salt, sugar, soil, and oil. These things, they are, they having these things. One, a glass of water, and other things are salt, sugar, oil, and sand. Okay. So, what are the instructions? Look at here. Instructions were clear. What are the instructions were clear? First, add salt to water and stir it. What they do first? They add salt in a glass of water and then they stir it. Right? Second instruction is what they have to do next? They add sugar and again stir it. Right? Now try adding soil. अब उनको क्या ऐड करना है? Soil ऐड करना है, उसको ऑब्जर्व करना है. Finally, pour a little oil on a top. Okay, all the things they are doing with a glass of water. ये सारी चीजें उनको किसमें डालनी है? A glass of water. Okay. So what is the result coming out? क्या है result? You tell me. Very good. Salt and sugar, they are completely dissolved, right? Okay, and what about the soil? Yes, it's settled down at the bottom of the glass, right? What about the oil? Yes, oil floated on the surface of the water, right? So this is the result. Okay, so the camp leader Rina explained what this shows. This shows us which substances are soluble and which insoluble. It's very easy. You can also do this experiment at your home. Okay, so for that, what you have to do? How do you do this experiment at home? What you take first? Second, sugar, salt, oil, and sand. Okay. So what you are going to do dissolve first? What you do first? You have to add a salt, then stir it, then sugar, then stir it, then sand, and then oil. Then you also giving me the result. What is your result with your experiment? Are the result like the same or not? Okay. So tell me about it tomorrow. Got it? Okay. Now, she gave them more things. She gave them more things for the experiment. Let's check it. What are these things? She gave them these things. Okay. So salt, sugar, these are done now. Next thing is chalk powder. Right? So it's dissolved or not? No. It doesn't dissolve in water. Okay, now tell me the one thing, coffee powder. You tell me about the coffee powder. Huh? Coffee can dissolve in water, right? ये आसानी से घुल सकती है ना पानी में, right? So it dissolve in water. It's complete. Okay, and it gives the color to the water, right? And where the chalk powder has gone, it's also settled down at the bottom of the glass like that. This is the glass, right? What we fill in it? Water. And where the chalk powder? It settled down at the bottom like that. Okay. Same with the sand. Okay. Next is 1 spoon of milk. What write it here? Partly means mixed with slightly cloudy solution. What we found when we mix a spoon of milk in a water, it gives the color, right? It gives cloudy color to the water, right? Same like this coffee powder. Coffee powder also give a color to water, right? Okay. Now soil, it doesn't, and oil, it doesn't. So what is the result? What is the result with the soil? Soil settle down at the bottom like that, right? And oil, it's floated on the top of the surface of water. Got it like that. When we make a glass of water, we fill it with the water, right? This is water. So where are the oil? Oil are on the top of the surface of water. Okay, because they doesn't dissolve in water. It's a oil. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Okay, what is the next experiment? It's also related with the things are dissolved or doesn't dissolve. But which things are dissolved? How the things dissolve faster? How the things dissolve faster? कोई भी चीज कैसे जल्दी dissolve हो जाएगी? Okay, let us check it. Look at here. You can also give me the answer of it. Can you give me how the salt or sugar fastly dissolve in water? We stir it, it dissolve, right? What we do the next thing? Any of thing that we do by which a sugar can dissolve faster than stir? Tell me any of thing. Shaking and anything else? Anything else? Huh? Any of time you make cheese at home? Huh? You make cheese at home? How? How we prepare tea? How we prepare tea for drink? What is the first thing? First thing, we boil water, right? So boiled water is a cold or hot? It's a hot, right? You add a tea on it, then milk on it. Yes? When it's boiled 2-3 times, then you add the sugar in it. So sugar is dissolved in it. So how sugar dissolve? Without stirring. Because of the hot water, right? So when we boil a thing, it dissolves faster. Right? In a warm thing, the things dissolve faster than cold water. Understood? Okay, now take a look here. The next morning at the camp, the children gathered in the activity area. Again, the children gathered in the activity area for doing the next experiment. And what is this? What happened? Yes, you can. What is the next experiment? Now, today on this day, they are going to learn which things dissolve faster. Okay, how the things dissolve faster. Right? This is their second experiment. Okay, they are excited for the day science experiment. Okay, the instructor, Mrs. Reena, stood by a table filled with jars of water, spoon, salt and sugar. Okay, तो मैम उनकी रेडी थी. उनके टेबल पर क्या क्या था? jar which is filled, okay, a filled jar with water, spoon, okay, salt and sugar. Okay, today we will learn which substance dissolve in water and which one dissolve faster. What she announced at that time? उन्होंने बताया कि हम अब ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे कि अब हमें ये जानना है कि कौन सी चीज जल्दी से डिसॉल्व होती है. राइट? So Alisha, Dhruv and other campers quickly formed a small group. अब सारे बच्चों ने अपने अपने ग्रुप्स बना लिए. Each group got bowl of cold and warm water. अब देखो सारे ग्रुप के पास में क्या था? एक बॉल में हॉट वाटर था और एक बॉल में कोल्ड वाटर. एक में कोल्ड और एक में वार्म वाटर. ओके, अलॉन्ग विथ सैंपल्स. और उनके पास क्या क्या सैंपल्स थे? शुगर, salt and spoon, right? Let us start with the sugar. Who said this? Dhruv. Okay. अब उन्होंने क्या करना शुरू कर दिया है? एक्सपेरिमेंट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. ओके, what they have in their experiment? What they have? They have two bowls. In a one bowl they have hot water and in a one they have cold water. And what are the other substance they have with them? Sugar, salt and अब उनको ये देखना है कि अगर हम स्टिर करते हैं स्पून से तो तब वाटर जल्दी से कोई चीज वाटर में जल्दी डिसॉल्व होगी या फिर गर्म में जल्दी डिसॉल्व हो जाएगी? हॉट वाटर में. तो दिस इज देयर नेक्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, so let's check it. Let us start with the sugar. Okay, so what they adding first? They adding a spoon full with cold water. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? कोल्ड वाटर में शुगर का 1 स्पून दे दिया. ओके, एंड स्टर इट. अब उन्होंने क्या किया उसको? They stir it. Okay, the sugar started dissolve but slowly. शुगर डिसॉल्व तो हुई, समझ में आया, बट टाइम टेकिंग लगा, टाइम ज्यादा लगा. राइट? तो स्लोली डिसॉल्व हुई. ओके, अलीशा poured some same amount of sugar in a warm water. लेकिन अलीशा ने क्या किया? गर्म पानी में सेम उतनी ही शुगर डाली. ठीक है, और what she noticed? She noticed that sugar dissolve faster. Okay, तो शुगर कब जल्दी से वाटर में डिसॉल्व हो गई? जब वाटर हॉट था या कोल्ड था? ओके, गॉट इट. मिसेस रीना स्माइल्ड and nodded. That's because heat helps particles move faster. अब इन मॉलिक्यूल्स की हेल्प कौन कर रहा है जल्दी से डिसॉल्व होने में? हीट. कौन हेल्प कर रहा है? हीट हेल्प कर रही है. सो शुगर डिसॉल्व मोर क्विकली इन वार्म वाटर. इसलिए जो शुगर है, जब हमने वाटर को गर्म किया क्योंकि हीट लग रही है, राइट? तो हीट लगने से क्या हो रहा है? शुगर जल्दी डिसॉल्व हो रही है. अंडरस्टूड? Okay. Then the children tried salt. अब बच्चों ने क्या try किया? Salt. Again it dissolved faster in warm water. We will also do this experiment tomorrow. Okay, today we already learn about these experiment and tomorrow we will do it. Okay, with the hot water and cold water in the class. Got it? Okay, it dissolves faster in warm water than in cold. Same like that. Just like sugar dissolve faster in warm water, same salt dissolve in warm water fastly. समझ आ रहा है? हाँ? Understood? Got it my point what I am saying to you? Okay. By the end of the session, the children had filled their charts with observation. अब बच्चों ने अपने सारे चार्ट फिल कर लिए थे जो भी उनको मैम ने दिए थे. Alisha looked at her proudly. Now I know it is not just what you mix, but how do you mix? It's matter. क्या मैटर करता है? ये मैटर नहीं करता कि आप क्या मिक्स कर रहे हो, आप उसको कैसे मिक्स कर रहे हो वो मैटर करता है. अभी हमने कैसे मैटर, हमने देखो कोल्ड वाटर में भी मिक्स किया, हॉट वाटर में भी मिक्स किया, राइट. बट फास्टली किसमें डिसॉल्व हुआ? तो क्या क्या डिपेंड हुआ, क्या मैटर आया फिर हमारे पास? हाँ, ये डिपेंड नहीं करता कि आप क्या मिक्स कर रहे हो. आपने स्मार्टली क्या, आपने आपका वे क्या था, आपने किस तरीके से उस चीज को मिक्स किया, राइट. अलीशा ने क्या किया? वार्म वाटर लिया, उसका वे अलग था. ध्रुव ने कौन सा लिया था? कोल्ड वाटर, राइट. तो स्मार्टली वो किसका था जल्दी डिसॉल्व करने का? अलीशा का, राइट. बिकॉज शी न्यू अबाउट इट दैट शुगर एंड सॉल्ट फास्टली डिसॉल्व इन water. Okay, hot water, warm water. The experiment had turned on ordinary morning in a bumping, swirling or splashing adventure in learning. तो एक ordinary सी जो सुबह थी वो किसमें चेंज हो गई? एक्साइटमेंट में, राइट. एक्साइटमेंट लर्निंग बच्चों की हो गई. ओके, सो वी ऑल्सो डू इट टुमारो इन आवर क्लास. ओके, so are you ready to play with water tomorrow? So what we have for that? For these experiment, what we have? A glass of water and okay, sugar and salt. Okay, okay. So you have to bring these materials. Okay, any of you bring a material with you. Okay, we will do these experiment in our class tomorrow. Understood? Got it my point? You? तो कल लेके आना, कोई भी एक बच्चा ले आएगा. ओके, सो यू आल्सो ब्रिंग सैंड, चॉक पाउडर, कॉफी, मिल्क इन अ स्मॉल बॉटल. ओके, सो वी विल डू दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, सो टुमारो लेट अस वी प्ले विद वाटर. आर यू रेडी ना? एक्साइटेड? यस और नो? ओके, सो वी विल मीट इन आवर टुमारो क्लास. Okay, and we also do these experiment in our class. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day beta.